Welcome to my channel, this is ayomidegraphix. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a 3D trending luxurious name design using AI. I'll also be showing you how to use it as your wallpaper. So make sure to watch this video till the end on how to create this and how to use it as your wallpaper. So let's begin. Now you go to your Google Chrome, you type in Bing Image Creator, then click on search. As you can see now, the first one that is free AI image, you click on it, that's the first website. Now we are in the Microsoft Bing environment. If this is your first time, you have to register with your email. I've already done mine already. So before we continue, let me paste the prompt. Now it's pasted. As you can see, we have number of coins. You have access to 15 coins per day. So every 24 hours, you have access to 15 coins. As you can see, then when I click on create, one coin will be deducted from the 14 to make it 13. So let me click on create. Wow, we have 4 images, so we can choose any one we want. So let me click on the first one, this one. Let me click on it. Wow, so lovely. Look at the design, look at the wings, look at the name, look at the luxurious around it. So let's check the other ones as well. Look at this one as well too. Wow, lovely. The name, look at the flowers, the wings. So let me show you one thing. Let me go back and show you one thing quick. So if you want to download the images, so as you can see the arrow there, let me show you that arrow there, this one particularly, this one, as you can see, when you click on it, it downloads. As you can see downloading file downloaded already, so that if you like any image, you can download it so and use it as a wallpaper. So I'll be showing you how to use that as wallpaper. So now these are the other ones I did by tweaking the prompt. Just change one or two things there. Precious, as you can see, the name is good. So look at this one already, precious, so lovely. So I like this one already, as you can see. And I also did the wallpaper for it, so I'll be showing you the wallpaper. As you can see, this is the wallpaper for my phone. So lovely. So you can use the name precious or any name you want as wallpaper. So let me show you other ones I did. These two as well. That is for Evans. So let me just show you. I think one picture should be good for that. Look at this. So look at the background, this color. Look at the flowers, pink, lovely. Look at the background too as well, so lovely. So other one I did this last one. No, it's not the last one. Yeah, this was Cecilia. So I did another name for that. Look at the color background. Look at the flowers, so lovely. So look at the wallpaper too for that too. Look at it showing on my phone. That's the wallpaper, as you can see, so lovely. So the other one too I did too as well. I also did for I think Amrita. Yeah, I did for Amrita too. Wow, I like this one in particular. Look at the name, look at the font, look at the flowers, the background. Look at it on my phone too, the wallpaper. Look at it, so lovely on my phone. That's the wallpaper. So as you can see. So another one I did too as well. Then I think let me show you the other one I did. That is for Dara. I think I just choose one or two. I choose this one in particular. Not that really fine. I love this two as well. As you can see, Dara, that's lovely. Look at the font, look at the name. It's different from others. I just change it so you can tweak the prompt. Just change one or two things there. Then the last one, that is the angel. So I love this. This lovely. Look at angel, so lovely. Look at the background, look at the flowers. Look at this. This is the picture in my phone. That's the wallpaper, as you can see. Then another one I did. This one too in particular, lovely. So lovely. Look at the one too on the wallpaper too as well. I really like this one. Lovely on the wallpaper of my phone. So you can also do yours too as well. So tweak it as anyhow you want, and this is for your wallpaper. So as you can see, that's it on using AI to design your name. So if you want the prompt, you can check the prompt now. If you are still watching this video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen right now. Then click on the bell icon for you to get all notifications. Kindly click on the like icon on your screen right now, and also drop your comment below in the comment section concerning this video. And also don't forget to share this video across your socials to your friends and to your loved ones. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.